This is Isla throwing away her diapers after we change her. Oops! Here she comes. We get rid of the diaper. She comes into the laundry room. She puts it in the hole. Puts it in the hole. Good girl. Shuts the chute.
It's your fingers. Fingers. Move your hand. There you go. 2 hands.
There you go.
I don't.
No.
Come on, Isla.
Flush it.
Put it down.
Pull it. Come on.
Come on. No. Yuck. Yuck. Come on.
Close it.
Close it. All the way. All the way. Yay! Clap for Isla. Yay!